Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope all are you fine. We will continue our reading of chapter number 2, that is nutrition in animals. Our today's topic is large intestine. The undigested food that remains in the small intestine passes into the large intestine. Here some amount of water is absorbed by the walls of large intestine. Remaining waste is passed to rectum and then expelled from the body through the anus. The length of the large intestine is 1.5 meters. In human beings, digestion takes place outside the cells in the alimentary canal. This type of digestion is called extracellular digestion. Our next topic is nutrition in ruminants. Ruminants are actually herbivore mammals that take food from the plants. All plant cells consist of a complex carbohydrate called cellulose. Digestion of cellulose requires a special type of digestive system in which stomach is divided into 4 chambers: rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. These are the 4 chambers of the stomach that are present in the digestive system of ruminants. In grass-eating animals, half-chewed plant material reaches to the first chamber of stomach called rumen, where bacteria act upon cellulose. The partially digested food enters in the second chamber. From here, partially digested food, which is back to mouth, is called cud. Cud is further chewed by the animal. This process is called rumination, and the animal that does it is called ruminant. The ruminated food is swallowed again and reaches directly to the third chamber of stomach. Here ruminated food is broken down into smaller pieces. Finally, it reaches to fourth chamber, where enzymes convert the complex nutrients into simpler ones to complete the digestion. We have completed our reading of second chapter, that is nutrition in animals. Next we will do the check your knowledge from page number 23. Name the following. The mode of nutrition in animals is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. B. The structure helps in taking enough food in amoeba is called pseudopodia. The structure helps in detecting taste of food in humans called tongue. Fill in the blanks. The taking of food into mouth is called ingestion. Elimination of undigested food and waste solid material is called egestion. The process of digestion starts in stomach of humans. The number of incisors present in human is 8. Next we will do the check your knowledge from page number 18. Write true or false. The feet of amoeba are called proboscis. It is false. Frog has a long tongue to catch its food. False. Hydra uses its cnidocytes to paralyze its prey. True. Starfish uses its arms to grip the prey. True. Woodpecker have curved beaks to grip the food. False. This is our today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.